We're supposed to be cleaning house today. We're supposed to be really working hard, sweeping and mopping, working our butts off today. Marilyn, where you at? Here, baby, bring the broom. Come here, Marilyn, bring the broom. Go tell him to bring the broom there, nut. You bring the broom in here? We're supposed to be cleaning, honey. I'm still coughing like a... This is terrible. I know it, honey. Nope. Peanut's going to rip your throat out. Peanut will rip that throat out. Go wake your brother up. It's time to get to cleaning. Got to clean the floors. Go wake him up. Go wake him up. He said, no, I'm not doing that.